In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to build and explore a project workspace in Smartsheet using built-in templates and dashboards. First, open your browser and head to the Smartsheet homepage. Make sure you're signed in so you can create and save new items in your account. From the home area, look toward the main toolbar where you can create something new. Click on the highlighted option that opens the creation menu. This is where you tell Smartsheet whether you want a blank sheet, a report, or, in our case, something from a template. Next, in that menu, click the highlighted button that takes you to the template gallery. Here you'll see a variety of pre-built solutions. We're going to use one that's already set up for project schedule management. When you see the option to create from template, click the highlighted Create from Template button. You may see this confirmation more than once, so go ahead and click the highlighted Create from Template option again to confirm. Smartsheet will now spin up a set of assets for you. Once the template is created, you'll land in a folder with several items. Start by clicking on the sheet named Task Tracker. This is the core of your project. It's where you'll track tasks, owners, dates, and statuses. Inside the Task Tracker, follow the highlighted areas on screen. These highlights will guide you through key columns such as task name, assigned to, start and end dates, and status. Take a moment to click each highlighted element so you can see how the columns are structured and how rows represent individual tasks. As you click through the highlighted parts, notice how you can type directly into cells, adjust drop-down values like status, and customize fields to match your project. After you've explored the sheet, close it or navigate back using the top navigation and then click on the item called Tasks by Status. This will open a report that summarizes tasks across your project based on their current state. In this report, follow the highlighted controls at the top. Click on the highlighted count option so you can see how Smartsheet aggregates your data, and then continue clicking each highlighted area to understand filters, grouping, and how the report is pulling information from the underlying task tracker. Next, in the same project folder, open the report called Tasks Due by Assignee. This gives you a focused view of who is responsible for what and when it's due. Again, follow the highlighted areas to see how assignees and due dates are being surfaced from the sheet. Now open the project dashboard. This is your visual overview of the entire project. When it loads, click the highlighted elements on the dashboard one by one. These highlights will walk you through charts, metrics, and widgets that are all powered by the sheet and reports you just explored. You'll see how status counts, upcoming tasks, and key project details are all presented in a way that's easy to read at a glance. From the dashboard, use the highlighted link or button to jump back to the project folder view, then click on the project dashboard item again from the list. This shows how everything is connected and easy to access from home. Finally, within the dashboard, click on the highlighted project name at the top, in this case labeled as a specific project, to open that project's detailed view. This final click closes the loop, taking you from a high-level dashboard right back into the underlying assets that drive it. By following each highlighted click in this guide, you've created a project workspace from a template, explored the task sheet, reviewed summary reports, and navigated an interactive dashboard, all inside Smartsheet.